If you think making a chocolate peanut butter dessert from scratch is the only way to get this real flavor, this recipe is about to change that. Wait until you see what we do with a boxed cake mix. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes, where every recipe is tested in my real family kitchen and only makes the cut when it genuinely earns it. Today, we're making chocolate peanut butter dump cake, and I promise this one is worth keeping. I've got the full printable recipe linked in the description below so you can follow along. And stick around to the end because I've got my best tip for getting that perfect gooey texture. Okay, so I know this is called a peanut butter dump cake, and typically a dump cake is just dumping things into a baking dish and then popping it in the oven. This has a couple more steps than that, so don't come at me because I promise it is so worth it in the end. So this starts with 2 boxed cake mixes. So I have 2 chocolate cake mixes here. Get those into the bowl. All right, guys, I messed up. We're not putting 2 boxed cake mixes into this bowl. It's just 1. We're gonna save 1 for later. My bad. My brain is all over the place today. Sorry about that. 1 chocolate boxed cake mix in the bowl. To that, we are going to add a package of chocolate pudding mix, because why not add more chocolate? So to this, we are going to add some cold milk. Get all of that in there. And then we're just gonna get this all mixed up together, and it's gonna be pretty thick. We're just waiting for that milk to activate the pudding mixture, and then that's going to combine with that chocolate cake mix. So I'm gonna take my spatula, I'm gonna get this cleaned out. All right, so I got most of that out. I'm gonna finish it with the spatula. Get the rest of this out. All right, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. Okay, to this mixture, we are going to add some chopped up peanut butter cups. So yeah, I told ya, the arm workout, you're gonna need it because we just started. I'm gonna mix that in. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up. We're gonna bring our baking dish in. All right, I'm gonna set our chocolate mixture aside, bring in our baking dish. I'm gonna give this a squirt of some nonstick cooking spray. All right. And we're going to transfer our chocolate mixture right into the dish. Layer 1. If you see any dry parts, just kind of incorporate it in there. Don't worry, this will all come together. Get it all off. Okay, good, good, good. I'm gonna go clean myself up, and then we're gonna move on to layer number 2. All right, so I'm going to slide this aside. We're going to bring in the big bowl. And to this, I'm going to add a block of cream cheese. Now it does help if this is softened up somewhat. Mine is not, which just means it's gonna take me a little bit longer to mix it up. Don't be like me. Okay, so to the cream cheese, we're going to add creamy peanut butter by plunger measuring cup. You guys know I love that. In it goes. This is almost like the filling for my chocolate peanut butter pie. You can find that recipe here too. Powdered sugar. Got that going in, and then a little bit of heavy whipping cream. All right, now we bring in the mixer. We're gonna get this all mixed up into this peanut butter, cream cheesy, sugary goodness. All right, that is looking good. I'm going to try to get all this peanut butter out of here. One done. Okay. And I'm gonna finish this up with my spatula just to get the rest of that powdered sugar off the sides of the bowl. Oh, this looks perfect. I'm telling you, it's just like my chocolate peanut butter pie. Whoops. Okay. Bringing our cake mixture back in, I found that the easiest way to do this is to just spread, just to take chunks and drop dollops all across the top. It makes spreading it so much easier. All right, that is looking good. Slide this over and commence to spreading it around. It's okay if the chocolate swirls in with it because this is getting topped. You're not even gonna see it. So spread it around, nice even layer all to the sides because nobody wants a bite that doesn't have the peanut butter layer. So make sure everybody gets some of that. Alrighty, to this we are going to get that extra box of cake mix that I told you about previously, and that is going right on top of this. Okay, so we're just going to take our dry cake mix. This part is like a traditional dump cake, and right on top. And then just kind of smush it around. Get in there with my hands, they're clean. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, we have a stick of butter, and I sliced it into very thin slices, and I'm just going to put them in a layer like this. You want the cake to almost be completely covered in butter pats. So slice them pretty thin, as thin as you can get them. It helps if you freeze the butter for a little bit, especially if it's warm. It was warm here when I did this, and they didn't turn out as nice as I would have liked them to, so I really wished I froze it. The thinner the slices for this part, the better. Perfect. Okay, we are going to pop this into a preheated oven, let it bake, and then we're gonna finish it up. Okay, so our cake has baked and cooled completely. Very important that it cools completely. We are going to top this up. We are so close to being done. So here I have some thawed whipped topping. We need something light after all that richness. Okay, spread that into a nice even layer. Okay, looking good. Now, remember those peanut butter cups we put into the cake? Now we're gonna put some on top of the cake. So I saved about half of them. So we're just going to finish topping this. Told ya, not for the faint of heart. All right, some big pieces together here. So I'm just breaking those up. Oh, yum. Okay, one last thing. Taking this over the top. Chocolate syrup. Why? Because I can. Yeah. All right, my friends, I present to you the most decadent chocolate peanut butter dump cake. Just look at this chocolate peanut butter deliciousness. And underneath there's a fudgy chocolate peanut butter situation that I cannot wait to get into. So before I dig in, here's what I want you to remember when you make this. Cover the entire top with butter slices, no gaps. That's what gives you that baked top instead of a powdery one. And serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. The contrast is worth it every single time. All right, we are going in for a taste test right now because I can't wait. Chocolate peanut buttery deliciousness. I cannot wait another second. The bottom layer is completely fudgy. And it's topped with that rich peanut butter cream cheese layer that we made. There's so much going on in here. I told you, you're gonna forgive me for calling this a dump cake because you had to put a little extra effort in. It was worth every single step. This chocolate peanut butter cake, It's a keeper. The full printable recipe is linked in the video description below to make it easy for you. And you can find even more cake mix recipes just like this one over at cakemixrecipes.com. And if you loved this, you have to try my Oreo dump cake. It's right here. I will see you over there.